Hello, in this video, we will learn how to easily delete your Facebook account. So, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to receive updates. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook application. Click on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Then, tap on the Settings option. Go to the Account Center. Select Personal Details. Click on Ownership and Control. Now, click on the option to disable or delete. Here, you will see a page that instructs you to choose the account you want to delete. You can choose any account, whether it's an Instagram account or a Facebook account. I will choose my Facebook account. Now we have reached the most important point in the deletion process. We have 2 options. The first option is to disable the account, which allows you to hide the account without deleting it. You can retrieve it anytime by logging in. If you choose to delete the account, you only have 30 days to recover it. If you don't log in within 30 days, it will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to recover it. Now, I will choose the second option to delete my account. Choose any option and click on Continue. Click on Continue. Scroll down and click on Continue. Enter your Facebook account password to confirm the process and click on Continue. If you have chosen an Instagram account, you need to enter your Instagram password as well. Now, click on Delete Account. After choosing to delete, your account will no longer be visible, and you need to wait for 30 days without logging in to permanently delete it, as I mentioned earlier. Also, all your photos, videos, and activities related to your account will be deleted. Finally, if you like the video, support our channel by liking and subscribing to receive updates on our videos. Thank you, see you later.